What's up? Iduan here. Today I'm gonna show you Moscow Park. That's basically a place with a lot of trees and some roads where you can walk with your friends, with your dog, or by yourself and have some thinking about the life. Kids have the playground, parents have the benches, but there's a special exhibit in this park. It's a tank! Look at these weapons. They're super powerful. Oh, wait. Whose legs are these? It turns out that most interested visitors for this exhibit are kids. They just love to climb on top of it and to check the weapons, and they even play hide and seek around this tank. This model is called T64a and was produced in 1974, and it has a weight of 38 tons. Basically, that's a memorial for Second World War, and that's why there is a tank here and another weapon. That's an anti-aircraft gun from 1939. It's very old and it's actually been in the Second World War. You would ask, why are these tanks and guns in this park? Well, that's basically because this park was made in the memory of Second World War, and these are the exhibits of this park. That's an interesting thing.